Hey everybody, I was recently sent some sunglasses. So these are from livho. So they did send me these in exchange for an honest review. So this is a sponsored video. So these are sunglasses from livho. Now these are intended for either men or women. This is a polarized test card. So you put these glasses on and you can see this. You can tell whether or not the glasses are polarized or not. So I've never seen that before. That's pretty cool. They also provide a little case to put the glasses in. There's the little logo right there. And a little cleaning fabric right there. Okay, so I'm going to stick all that back in the box right here. And let's slide these glasses out of here and see how they look. All right, so get a good close look at them. Nice big nose pads right there. You can see, so that's good. Plastics, that's going to be comfortable, right? Black Aviator style. Thin, let's put them on. All right, so my wife told me I look like an FBI agent the other day when I put these on. So my wife said I look like an FBI agent. I don't know if I do or not, but I'll take it. So, see how they look? They're light, okay? They're light, they fit me nicely. The nose right in here is comfortable. It's not uncomfortable, that the nose pad, so that's definitely important. Polarized, I can tell, I'm pretty sure I can tell that they are polarized when I put them on. And just a nice, sleek Aviator style look. So if you're looking for some nice, lightweight, stylish looking Aviator style glasses, these might be what you're looking for right here. So I'm excited to have them.